Welcome to Express Game Maker. In this tutorial, we're going to cover animations and event collision. When making animations, the default way is to drag and drop images from the Materials Explorer onto the canvas, which allows for great detail and customizability. We also have tools for simpler tasks, such as adding sprite sheets. First, let's learn how to add a simple sprite sheet. This window should be familiar from the first tutorial, but let's go over each function. First, you have to pick your sprite sheet from the drop-down list. Next, you can pick how many rows and columns your sprite sheet has. The display time is how many frames should be between each frame. Lastly, you can pick what direction is in which row. As you can see, all the settings are all ready because they were memorized from the last time we used them, in the last tutorial. Now, for certain characters, such as heroes and enemies, you might need more actions. For example, you might also need idle, attack, and defend. Note that idle is required for heroes and enemies. So let's quickly add idle. This window is quite useful for sprite sheets with different style setups, such as sprite sheets that contain different actions in a single image. In Express Game Maker, collision detailing is in your hands, and adding collision is very simple. First, you'll need to switch to the collision view. You can either add a single node or a shape. A shape is the fastest, and in most cases, a circle is best for moving objects. This window allows you to fine-tune your collision shape. As you can see, the collision shape appears in all directions as it is action specific. The red collection is for hit detection. In this case, we want the whole body to be hit rather than just the legs. Now, to quickly add collision to other similar animations and actions, you can just copy and paste this collision shape into other animations and actions. Also note that if an action performed next does not have collision, the game engine will use the previous action's collision. This is only applicable for actions. For example, if idle has collision and walk doesn't, then walk will use idle's collision. But there might be cases where you do not want collision for the next performed action. In that case, just add a single node to the action. Thanks for watching.